How do I apply my McDonald's gift card to my DoorDash order?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore how to apply your McDonald's gift card to your DoorDash order. That's right, you can use your McDonald's gift card right from the comfort of your home with the help of the DoorDash delivery service. Let's dive into the step-by-step process.
Do DoorDash accept McDonald's gift cards?
Before we proceed, it's important to note that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, DoorDash does not directly accept McDonald's gift cards as a form of payment. It's always wise to check with DoorDash and McDonald's for the most recent updates to their payment policies.
What can you do instead?
However, all hope is not lost. There is a workaround to this issue. Here's the thing. You can use your McDonald's gift card directly at McDonald's and then use your preferred payment method on DoorDash. 1. First, you can go to a McDonald's location and use your gift card to buy McDonald's gift certificates. These are physical certificates and come in denominations of $5 and $10. 2. Then, you can use these gift certificates when you physically go to McDonald's. 3. For DoorDash, simply use your credit card or another accepted form of payment to place your order. Please remember to check the latest information, as payment policies can change and there might be new ways to directly use your McDonald's gift card on DoorDash in the future. And there you have it. That's how you can make the most of your McDonald's gift card when ordering through DoorDash. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Remember to keep an eye on updates from both McDonald's and DoorDash as they may enhance their payment options to make your experience even more convenient. Until next time, happy ordering!